Gap up opening on the card. So how should you position for trade today? Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar are with us now. Sudarshan, first, the Nifty call and the trade for the day.
Well, the markets are now a little more of a random nature rather than anything else. Yesterday, surprisingly, the Nifty decided to fall when the expectation was that it would be stable. So my view now for the Nifty is take only intraday trades, and which is what I plan to do myself. Use a simple trend following intraday strategy, either a moving average or higher highs, lower lows, and take the trades during the day. Do not carry positions till we get some sense of stability in the Nifty. So primarily it becomes an intraday trading environment based on how the markets open and behave in the first 1 hour.
Okay, got that. We'll come back to you for stocks. Let's get a word in from Mitessh as well. Mitessh, morning. What are you expecting on the Nifty? And if you can also tell us what are the stocks that you're looking at today?
Sure. Good morning. So on the index today, yesterday I mentioned that we are not trading the index because it's basically in a range of about 18,200, give and take a few points, to about 18,450, again, give and take a few points on the upside. Very choppy within this range. So 100-point gap up would suggest an opening around 18,300, 320 levels, somewhere in the middle of the area. So I will not be again trading the index today unless until we get closer to the upper boundary, which around 18,450, I maintain that, short positions can be looked into. Having said that, I think today I've got more of buy calls on the stock side, 3 buys to a sell. Exide is something which I like a lot. That's a buy with a stop at 185 for a first target of 194. A similar setup on the charts of Power Finance Corporation, it's come to support areas. That's a buy with a stop at 135 for targets of 145. And Nestle is a buy with a stop at 20,200 for 2850 as the target area. On the sell side is SBI Cards. If it breaks a pivot of 785, go short, keep a stop above 800 and look for a target of 755.
Right. Thanks for that, Mitessh. Sudarshan, what about you? What are your trades?
Well, primarily look at this as an intraday trading opportunity only. Granules is a buy. Yesterday, all pharma stocks suddenly started going up. Well, Granules has a much deeper correction. Perhaps it can hold on to its gains. So buy with a stop under 323. HCL Tech is another buying opportunity. As I've already said, keep the trades primarily intraday. Buy with a stop under 1,030. India Cement is an intraday short. The stock has been in a mini bear market of its own. Keep a stop above 239. And finally, CanBank continues to be a buying opportunity. This is the only positional trade that I could suggest. Stop under 309.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much for that. Get into a short break. We'll come back with the pre-opening rates. We'll also connect with Jurkina, the MD and CIO of Swiss Asia Capital, to discuss the outlook for commodities in 2023. Stay tuned.
देखो देखो देखो